Hi guys, for today's video we're going to make a super easy tutorial on how to make brochure using Canva application on your smartphone. So first, if you haven't downloaded your Canva application, you can go ahead and open your app store and search for Canva. And after searching, you can go ahead and tap install and wait for it to download. So after installing, go back to home page of your phone and tap Canva app. At the home page of your Canva app, you'll see a lot of templates that you can use, such as Instagram posts, for Facebook posts, also for your stories. You can also use this application for making logos for your business, flyers, posters, Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnail, phone wallpapers, photo collage. As you can see here, there's a lot of templates for business and personal use to post on your social media. But for this video, we're going to make brochure. So let's go ahead and search brochure on search icon. There you go. So you can see a lot of sample templates here. There is a template that you have to buy first, and there are also a lot of template that you can use for free. So we're going to search a template here for free, so all of us can have an access. So after choosing template, you can go ahead and tap it. So for this brochure template, I choose the theme for travels. You can go ahead and customize this template. You can replace each photos with the one that you have on your phone. So here I'm replacing it with the photo that I captured on one of our trips. You can also drag it down or up for it to fit on the template. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it with the photos that I have on my phone as well. So every template, there is a caption or words that they have. You can go ahead and delete that or replace it with the one that you want. You can always delete it if you want it, or you can as well just edit the words and use the ones that they have already on the template. And if you're done, you can go ahead and save it on the upper right on your phone. Alright, so after saving, you can go ahead and see that on your gallery. And then go ahead and search for other templates that I'm going to use. Let's go ahead and make another one. sometimes it's hard to choose if you have a lot of options. Right now, I'm trying to look for a template that I can use for my food photos. So once again, I'm trying to delete all the words that I don't want on the template, and I'll go ahead and replace it with the one I have on my mind. Here you can also see a lot of options for words or title, fonts of the words that you wanted to put. You just have to click the add button on the lower left on your phone. So here we can see a lot of options that we can use on the design that we're going to make as a font. You can always drag it down or up, or make it big or smaller for it to fit on your style. So after using font style, you can go ahead and delete the word and replace it with the one that you have in mind. Since the font style that I choose here have its own size and color, what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and I'm dragging it right so that the words can fit on its style. Since I cannot see it with the color, I'll go ahead and change it with the ones that you like. There is a lot of option here. So right now what I'm doing is replacing the pictures that on the templates with the one that I have on my phone. There you go, and I'll go ahead and change the other one as well. Alright, I think I'm done here, so I'm saving it now. I'll go ahead and show you the other design that I made earlier. So here are the design that I made earlier. Please follow for more. Thank you for watching.